Guys. Hello. Good evening. Hello, hello. Nerds of the evening time. Alright. Gotta turn down the music a little bit. I can't hear myself talk. I will probably yell otherwise. But hi, guys. People of the night. Nerds of the evening. We're drinking some tea. I don't know what I want to contribute to. You guys, the struggle is real. I was considering like trying to revisit the WTF thing, and then I just ran it, and like I remembered how annoying it was to just get the auth stuff set up, so we're not gonna do that. I don't remember. I like genuinely don't even remember what other projects I was looking at contributing to, but we can scope around. I'm learning bubble tea now? Yo, let's go. What inspired it? I guess we could also continue my CLI chat and just see where we get there. Because I have no doubt in my mind that we're gonna get to a point where I'm not gonna have, I'm like, it's not gonna run. It's not gonna run, and I'm gonna forget what I've done because I'm just kind of copying code from somebody else's code base that like mostly works. There's some issues with my config run. Lualine notices. Oh, gee, man. Oh, gee, man. All right, I gotta move you guys. I think I have to get rid of Discord. Move you here. Okay, this is looking good. I know you guys can't see it yet. Also, I was changing around my settings a little bit, so don't mind me. I want to have the Pomodoro client with it. I feel like you could probably leverage Carlos's timer as well. It's so minimal. It's really nice. Like you can use it in scripts and stuff too, which is cool. Neato. I actually use it I have it kind of like scripted out in my ZSHRC on Mac, but I haven't pushed the changes. Is the lighting bright enough? I feel like it is. Is my audio desync again? Ah, no. Don't make me restart stream. I think it is. I can tell that it is. Audio's fine for you? Really? Hey, Gowdy, what's up? Long time no see. It's fine for you guys? Okay. Cool, it doesn't hate me today. I also I don't know how I'm still like semi-transparent in this this mode. I changed it around a little bit, but I'm not supposed to be have any opacity, so have any transparency, so I don't really know what's going on there. But it's fine, you guys will be able to see through me. It's like a quarter second delay. Yeah, whatever. We just scuffed. Okay. I think there's a lot that's wrong with this one. Let's just work on my CLI chat. And then maybe we'll do some Capuchin stuff. Maybe I'll help with their CLI. It's an octagon today. You guys were saying that I should do a hexagon or an octagon. So here we are. But yeah, no clue why I'm like semi-transparent. Oh, I think maybe I have a filter. Do I have a filter on my filter? No. I have no idea. I think it's fine. I believe it'll be fine. I'm just like, it's part of spooky season. Just like Ghost Bunny right now. All right, let's do a little bit with CLI chat, I suppose. Oh wait, I'm already in there. Oh gee. Okay, and then I gotta pull up Moss's Gambit code. Hold on. Yeah, see, this one I'm not transparent, so I don't really know. I don't really know why. But what I'm gonna do... Oh, see, I am. That's interesting. That's interesting. Oh, maybe it's this. Hold on. Chat, we're debugging. One sec. Maybe it's the... That looks more opaque. All right, no more transparent bunny. That's cool. By the way, watched your Bubble Tea Basics video. Wrote some comments in the doc file that for feedback. Do you mind just sending it to me on Discord or something like that? Please. Yeah, but we're not doing WTF. That's a fake news. But I do need... Okay, if I were to go run this, I think there's a bunch of stuff. Undefined S. Okay, we can start there. Also, apparently have a bunch of... oh, I need to change my... Okay, we gotta fix my config real quick. Classic bunny getting sidetracked immediately. Is it Lua? Is this where I... Because we gotta change the color scheme. She's a little intense right now. She's a little out there. Oh, this actually does need to be a comment. And this one as well. There we go. Now it's less angry. All right. Blah, 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 blah. Update capabilities is deprecated. Can I copy this? This looks much better already. Okay, so I need to use this instead. Alright, I don't really know what it wants me to do with that information, but what I can do here is just do default. I actually super need to change my auto complete. It actually drives me nuts, and I keep forgetting to change it. But at some point I'll fix that. Oh, I still have another one. This can... I forgot that I can just like source it. Okay, now it's less angry. W chat. W. And now I'm using kitty tabs, by the way. Dracula theme. Oh, Dracula lover. Yeah, Dracula's great as well. I also like that. We're not going to that config. It is. Listen, Vato. Listen. I at least have code up on the screen, so we're getting there. What's from when? Listen, spooky. I like Kitty. I love the author's interactions. Like there's one that I saw where he's like, this has turned into an absolute waste of my time, and closed the issue. I was like, that's kind of iconic. that's kind of great. Like kind of toxic, but mostly great. Like, oh my God. Like, I just think it's great. Also, Paris, thank you so much. That was pretty cool. That ended up being, like, I knew it was going to be a really stellar group of people to, like, get in a room together and talk about things. But it actually turned out even better than I thought. Like, I think there's so many more topics that would be really interested in hearing everyone's takes on. Like, everyone on that panel was, like, so experienced and coming from, like, such different backgrounds or, like, different areas of expertise. So it was really, really interesting as well, seeing, like, both sides of it. The bubble tea video, that one was on the Charm YouTube channel. So if you !charm, then that's where you can see it. Pretty blunt at time, but I think there might be a language barrier sometimes. Yeah, I mean, like, if I were to PR and somebody was telling me that my code is garbage when I'm trying to PR onto their project, like, Like, yeah, that sucks, but also, like, it's their project. They can say whatever they want, you know? It's like, okay, well, what did I do wrong? Do you mind explaining? Or at least, like, if you don't have time to explain, if you got, like, give me some keywords that I can search up, you know? Give me anything. Kind of went crazy with themes when I was younger. If I changed themes on one machine, I would spend literal hours just to make sure my other machines on the same setup. Just use Capuchin for everything. Easy. Done. Show Cup. This is part of my, like, OG tea set. Love her. We're just having some peppermint tea. All right, so I did not initialize S, which is supposed to be server. Where do I do that? Start server until done. Okay, so I gotta look at what Gambit's doing when they do that. Shout out to Moss for his great code. I'm so glad I can just yoink it. Thanks, Moss. Appreciate it. I was on Kitty. I stopped using it because I was on Kitty, stopped using it because I wasn't very fond of the author's interaction, then went to Alacrity to find out. I don't know, I like very opinionated people. Like, I feel like I don't need to, like, I mean, okay, then again, I haven't followed the author that closely. I've just seen some interactions here and there, and I just think they're really funny because he's so blunt and, like, opinionated. Like, he's like, you should never use Tmux with Kitty. Meanwhile, I'm using Tmux with Kitty and making videos on how I use Tmux with Kitty. I just love people that are, like, really opinionated. It's like, what? Like, I guess it's like piques my curiosity, you know? Of like, you have such a strong stance on this. Like, I'm really interested in, like, why. Tmux is a terminal multiplexer. So basically, how do I even explain this? Terminal multiplexer. So it basically allows you to, like, if you're connect to, like, different terminal sessions and, like, have different tabs that are individual terminal sessions. So it's basically like a program that allows you to have, like, multiple terminal sessions in what feels like a single window, in, like, a single window, kind of, if that makes sense. But yeah, it's great if you're doing a lot of SSH connections, because, like, if your connection dies, you can actually still just, like, reconnect Tmux. Like, just run Tmux on the server. You'll still be able to reconnect to the same session like you would with Screen. So that's pretty cool. Tabbed browser, but make it terminals. Yeah, pretty much. Pretty much. And then Kitty is a terminal emulator. So, like, for example, oftentimes, like, if you haven't touched your setup at all, or, like, your system at all, like, if you're using GNU Linux, like Ubuntu, for example, and, like, you would be using, like, a GNOME terminal emulator by default. And then on your Mac would be, like, the default terminal app would be that one, that terminal emulator. But it's basically just, like, a different kind of terminal. I literally just started using Kitty because OBS wouldn't detect the GNOME terminal as a window. So I couldn't stream just a window. I had to always stream my entire, like, screen, and that was annoying. Is it worth checking out others like Kitty and ZSH? Yeah, so Kitty is, like, Kitty would still support Bash. It's just, like, the terminal that you're using, basically. So it basically will, like, look different and have different functionality than, like, the default, whatever other terminal you're using, if that makes sense. Obviously, yeah, that's, you know, if you want to learn more about terminal emulators, highly recommend checking out Wikipedia or something. I'm not, like, human Wikipedia, but this is my take on it, okay? But yeah, Bash and ZSH are shells, so they are, like, within the terminal emulator that you use. ZSH is nice. I do like it better than Bash. I do have a Go plushie. I love it. And I've got little Halloween decorations up. Or, like, spooky season decorations, which is fun. But yeah. Actually, yeah, so a lot of my coworkers like Alacrity as well. They use Alacrity. like most of them. Does this not have a... I really should just like... Can I... Wait, source graph CLI. I don't know. Is that what I want? Let's try source graph CLI. I don't know if that's what I want or not. Ninja, thank you so much for the 5 gifted. What the heck? What the heck? Thank you, thank you. I appreciate that. I hope you're having a great evening, morning, afternoon. I don't know, time zones are hard. Yep, my name is Bash Bunny. Listen, Kenny, I'm just here to scam the internet. Just here to troll the internet. What can I say? Get him hooked with the Bash, thinking that they're getting Bash tutorials, but really I'm actually just raving about Go for like hours on end. So you're welcome. You are very welcome. Do I have it? Do I have to log in? What am I trying to achieve right now? I guess, no, whatever. We'll just use GitHub. Gambit, I want server, I think .start. Right now we're working on a CLI chat app, which I guess I should rename the terminal window to reflect CLI chat. Oh, it's serve. Why do I have it in my Go? It makes sense that I'd be using it as a subcommand. I guess it's because I don't need to. Yeah. Okay, sure. Okay, sure. If error SL shut down, is that where they have it? Here? I guess it is, yeah. Alright. Start. Why is my... Wait, this still isn't my theme. I gotta restart this. There we go. I was like, what? That doesn't look right. Why would you wrap Tmux? Huh? Tmux wrapper. I'm not using Tmux right now. I'm actually just using Kitty. Are you talking about like a theme? What about Warp? Anyone heard of that terminal? Yeah, I don't like that they use telemetry. And I don't like that you have to sign in to go into your terminal. Like, I guess, but I think I'm not their target. I'm not really their target demographic. Like, I don't need to like cloud sync my command history and stuff. I'm not really their target demographic. So it's not for me. I really like your new Vim theme. Thank you. It's Capuchin. They have a great community. I'm obsessed, actually. It's made it so that I can never move to another theme. Otherwise, I'll be disowned. Just kidding. Probably not. But I'm not willing to take the risk, you know? Logged off Fatal, huh? I should be wrapping my errors, but that's fine. Okay, and then I gotta do a little... Alright. I need to like adjust. Adjust! Warp is really nice to share reproductions of CLI errors. But couldn't you just copy the output and like send it in a file? Or like send a screenshot? Which are mostly what people don't recommend doing because it's like kind of illegible. But I think it just depends on convenience, I guess. It's gonna be for some people, it's not gonna be for other people, you know? I have a wrapped Tmux to set up my tabs and everything as I want. Oh, so like a session, kind of like a sessionizer, but for Tmux. That's neat. We use Tmux and WireGuard to share terminals. Yeah, that's sick. That's sick. That's great. That's such a great use for Tmux. Hi, I'm new here. Welcome in, welcome in. I'm coding in Go. I'm coding in Go. This would be like server.new server. Does this like take anything? Keypath string. Bro, I need to stop being, oh, I see. Server key path. So the server has a key. Server host, server port. Lame. Hi, Marshmallow. Do you like the octagon? I feel like I might prefer hexagon. True, but let's say it was an interactive CLI with a lot of prompts. It's hard to write that out. With Warp, you can just share it. That's good. That's nice. Why not relative line numbers? Because I don't hate myself. No, I'm just kidding. I don't like them. I don't find them very valuable for me. Transparent cam last time was awesome. You guys liked it? Yo, let's do a poll because I'm still not sure. I'm still not sure how I feel about that. Like, I was watching it over and I was like, damn, that looks like it still looks sick. But then I'm like, I feel like when I'm on a stream though, like I kind of want to see the streamer clearly, you know? Do we like a Bash Bunny terminal background? I guess it's like live Bash Bunny. I gotta see how many characters I can do in here. Do you like live Bash Bunny terminal background from last stream? I'm so glad. All right, well, the start means stream, okay? Yes, no. All right, you guys can vote on that for 2 minutes. And then we can argue about the result. No, I don't really do motions that much. Or like if I do, I don't know, it doesn't, I don't know, I don't find it that valuable. I'm like, okay, I know the difference between 18 and 22. Or like I just go to the line number. I usually, so if I'll do yank and then like to the line number. Or I'll just do, not even yank, I'll just like, I just do select. Does anyone do Hacktoberfest anymore? Yeah. I was partaking. You don't use, listen, you guys, oh God. Oh God. I don't use get aliases and I don't use shortcuts. I'm just a pleb U of M user, actually. Oh, lame. All right, we'll use environment variables. Sure. Can I just yoink? No, I should not yoink. No yoinking. Not allowed. All right, hold on. Things gonna get messed up for a sec here. I didn't move this. You. Hop is pretty good. I like it. Yeah, I do use hop actually, so there's that. Next I'll be using Emacs. Listen, one of my mods been trying to make me use Emacs for like a year. I'm gonna try it at least. Out of respect. Out of respect for Emacs nerds. And that's all you're getting from me, okay? That's it. Alright, so then I gotta like initialize keys and stuff. Oh, gee, man. Get env. And I guess we'll make it chat server key path. This is so obviously yoinked from his config. It's actually ridiculous. It's actually really funny. He's gonna look at the code and be like, hello? But that's kind of the point of open source, isn't it? I just need to tweak it a little bit. Key is equal to K. Yeah. Don't worry about it. What is key? Oh yeah, I declared that earlier. That's fair. Well, I didn't declare it yet. It's just the code does. Sorry, 1 second. I got a little, like, something in my eyeball. Alright. I finally got my alias set up on GitHub yesterday. Wait, Denzel, weren't you the one yelling at me? Wait, on GitHub? What do you mean on GitHub? Huh? There's so many ways to use Vim. Yeah. And honestly, I think it's going to change a lot. I think it's going to change a lot the more as I keep using it. I have a feeling it's just going to change constantly. I uploaded my fair. I often just use Atom. Why? Is that how I used to feel like a badass when I could when I learned about Nano. When I finally knew how to exit Nano, actually, I felt really cool, for the record. Not that a single one of you asked, but I felt it was important that you know. I need to assert dominance over the tech content space, okay? Don't listen to me, I'm crazy. Okay, chat, server, port. Actually, I might as well just, I'm really good at typing as well. Also, I forgot how to touch type and now I'm just garbage at typing. Wait, what? Am I? Oh, my caps key's on. That's why I'm like, huh? What? Key. What else do I need? What does this need? New server is what I'm looking for. Port, host. All right, yeah. Jeez, I'm literally... Stop! Why are you like this? Pain. Just pain. That's all. I can probably yoink this, I mean, whatever. Let's just type it. I clearly need the practice. Okay. Does not equal empty. Then we're gonna set. We're gonna set it. We're gonna like it. Blah, blah, blah. And apparently just ignore the error if it isn't able to convert. String com blah, blah, blah. And it's gonna be P. And then actually gonna yoink you and put you up here. Oh shit. Wait, I forgot to look at the poll results. Wow, okay. A lot of you liked it. I thought oh my. Okay, well, we might go back to that. I liked that a lot too. I thought it was I wasn't sure for the viewers if it would be too hard to see. If H is not equal empty. Should we do it right now? Wait, 82% no? No, that was 82% yes. Wait, am I confused? Are you gaslighting me? Do we like live Bash Bunny terminal background from last stream? Yes, 82%. Kappa. Oh god. Yeah. It's covered now, huh? No, fork Atom and call it Neutron. Rose, I am uber depressed with my financials in my life. I've been thinking about learning to code. Can a 30-year-old dude do this? Yeah. Also, if you get a certain amount of technical know-how, you can also just not write code, and there's tons of other technical roles that you can fill. You don't have to be a coder to get paid the big bucks, you know? Project managers get paid pretty well. UX designers. Scrum masters. Being a technical writer for for developers or for code basically. Architects, yeah, there's tons of stuff. There's so many parts of tech that is not coding. So even if you decide that you don't like it, you can always transfer the knowledge to another role. I feel like I'm curious how many people in chat got their entry into the tech field with like a systems admin / like IT support role. I feel like that's always the I feel like that's always like the entry point for so many people. Unless I guess you have like a more traditional background, I guess, but yeah, I also started doing doing IT support and stuff. Oh, you did internship? Yeah, it's either internship or like IT support. What are we working on? I'm attempting to. I've never built like a real-time chat app before, but we're gonna try and do it over SSH. Because like, why not start your own SSH server just to chat with other people that can connect your SSH server? Oh, but chat, you know what I would really like to contribute to? I really want to start using a terminal-based matrix client. Because I think right now I've tried Element, but it's like it's all GUI and stuff, and I think I'm in my terminal phase, man. What's a matrix client? So matrix is like isn't it like, it's like IRC, isn't it? If I recall correctly. Matrix. It's decentralized messaging. It's like, so you can join like a matrix server and you interact with it from a client. But yeah, it's like a chat app. I think it's, I could be wrong though. I was gonna say, I think it's IRC, like based on IRC. Is matrix. Okay, Matrix is a decentralized / distributed real-time communication network that combines the openness and flexibility of solutions like IRC with the user-friendliness of modern centralized communication networks like Discord, Mattermost, Slack, Telegram, etc. Matrix uses HTTP APIs. Interesting. But yeah, I want to be like I want to become more of a Matrix user, so I can start talking with those like OG nerds, you know, the kind I look up to. Those kind of people are only on IRC and Matrix. I'm sure of it, like 100% positive, you know. Like I need an IRC TUI. Also, this music got so loud all of a sudden. I need an IRC TUI, and I need I don't know, the other one, Matrix. Use IRC, old guys just on IRC, yeah. Casually runs into Linus Torvalds on IRC. I need him to just, I want to run into Linus so he can tell me my code is garbage. And that I can't contribute to the kernel. Teach me! The tea prep is great, so fancy. It is fancy time. As an IRC user, we don't really like the Matrix. What? Wait, is there beef between the IRC and Matrix people? What if I do both? Okay, I want in on this. I want in on the beef. I want to do both, and then I want to talk shit about each of them in each of the other ones' chats. The IRC sucks in the Matrix chat, and then on the IRC chat, Matrix sucks. And see, like, just see who responds. Just kidding. I'm actually getting kind of annoyed, or not annoyed. I'm getting kind of like sick of like the shit posting on Twitter. It's just all fake news now. But at the same time, like, it's a me problem. I'm not really that sick of it. I think I'm just on Twitter too much. So, you know, I feel like some tea now. You're welcome. It's that time, you know, we're streaming for a little while. I'm gonna stream till like midnight. So we're chilling. Okay, wait, now I want to be like transparent again and like in the background. You probably follow the wrong people on Twitter then? Yeah, I don't know. It's fine. I think I'm just on Twitter too much. I check it a lot. It's become like I don't check Instagram anymore. I don't check I check like Twitter and Discord.
Yeah. Made fun of Discord on IRC? Those other people? Okay, perfect. Am I serious for trying to learn C++ even though I consider myself a beginner wannabe programmer? No. If you use C or C++, I mean, most programming languages are based off of C. C++ is like a weird step cousin. Is that a relation? A step cousin of C? Like, obviously it's based off of C as well, but just the syntax is very, very different, in my opinion. But you'll learn a lot if you start with C++. You'll learn a lot of like the more low-level things that you probably won't have to worry about when you're using higher-level languages, but it makes you, they're like very transferable skills between. Oh no. Oh no. Should I'm so tempted to make myself transparent background again. It was really fun. I actually just did think you guys liked it. I'm very glad you guys like it. Like, I thought you were just saying to be nice because you didn't want to like break my setup. I should have known. Slide? Is this it? No, that's not it. What's the other one? I think it's this one. Yeah, okay, cool. And then we'll change the opacity. I think that's probably good. And then let's make me big again. I want to be a real boy. I'm a girl though. My pronouns are she, her. Is that legible? Let me see on Twitch. That's kind of legible. I'd say that's mostly legible. So we're back to 20 years. Ovals are cool. Oh no. Oh no. Okay, cool. I honestly should do more projects that are like related to Discord and stuff, and like, I don't know, maybe Matrix things. There must be a Go. Is there a Go IRC server? 2e? Go IRC 2e. There must be. 2e Go. No. 2e IRC, like chat, read and go. IRC client recommendations. That's what I want. 2e IRC client. Terminal tiny? It's in Rust. Everything's in Rust these days. Do I have to learn Rust now? I'm not ready. Emotionally. Okay, we're getting sidetracked. I should just try and do some work here. Immediately sidetracked. She's working on one, just doesn't know. Yeah, that's right. That's true, actually. It's probably true. Go/Rust though. I'm absolutely thrilled for that combo being the backbone of my. I know, right? Please. I'm very glad. Like, this is absolutely no like negativity at all towards like web developers, but like I'm glad it's not me. I just don't like web development that much, personally. I guess backend's not that bad, but I don't know. I'm enjoying the whole terminal nonsense shenanigans that I'm doing. They're very fun. Why are so many unmaintained projects in Golang? Whenever I search for a library, it looks like a graveyard. Well, is it that it's unmaintained or that it has no bugs? Maybe they just don't have any bugs. You ever thought of that? Maybe it just works. Hey Yash, I'm doing good, thanks. How are you? Do you think C++ is more about to learn fundamentals? What kind of projects can a beginner make with C++? You can make like, I don't know, CLI things. I don't find C++ or C or like any of the lower level languages to be great projects, or to be great for like building a bunch of different projects and stuff. Like you could probably build like a web backend or something with C++. I'm not really sure though. I haven't tried. But I guess it's more for like, I am pretty sure it's used for like a lot of like infrastructure things at companies. But like, I don't really know. Transformer terminal looks sick. How did you? Yo, yeah, we back in the sick area. We're back looking cool and stuff on the internet. I made my. It's actually that my camera is transparent. My little video thing in OBS. Starts over until done. Yeah, I guess so. Is this giving? I'm surprised. Wait, where's my linter? LSP status? No, wait, LSP start. I'm surprised this isn't giving me. Are these optional? No. Why isn't this giving me an error? That's weird. Key host port, I think. Sus. Undefined public. Okay, perfect. This is what I'm looking for. Oh, whoops. Whoopsies. Actually, wait. No, I can do that here. Is my Neovan bugging out? There you go. It is weird. Actually, I think it's fine. Wait, live grab. I meant to do diagnostics. No diagnostics found. Clients. I guess I could suspend it like a normal person. Okay, we gotta. This is the whole thing. Also, I haven't been committing it very well because I'm like yoinking code from somebody else's code base. So it's just honestly just a mess, mostly. Indeclare but not used. What's this one? Write string, idle, timeout. What is this? Oh, this is if they're just R, so it is done. This is just. Can I? C is for the chatter. Chatter.write string. What is this return? An int? What's the int? Can I print that? I don't know. I don't know what n does. Declare name n. Okay, well, listen. Listen here. Barely know what's going on. Okay. Then I guess if error does not equal nil. Alright, be a gopher. Do I care if it fails to write? No, I'm just gonna leave it unhandled for now. Like a proper developer. Let's just increase the technical debt. Medallion, thank you so much for the raid. I appreciate that. Thank you. How did you learn design patterns and anti-patterns? I didn't. Honestly, I try and it's a slow. I feel like that one's a slow learning thing. I'm reading the Pragmatic Programmer right now. Honestly, I think I've just been trying to like learn through code and stuff. I do still read a fair bit, but I think it feels like hard to memorize them. It feels kind of hard to memorize them. Also, not sure. I know that some devs were also saying that it can be kind of like not an awesome thing if you like learn like if you try and apply, if you try and like make the patterns work when you don't need a pattern. Do you know what I mean? Honestly, I feel like I've read about them so many times and then I just forget about them all the time. I remember Singleton. I remember Factory. I remember Builder. I guess I just never used them. I think I'm probably not gonna end up using them until it comes time where I like refactor my project. I'm like, oh, this would be better with this design pattern. You know what I mean? I don't really know. What's the easiest way to get a coder girl's number? Know her as more than a coder girl. I guess. I don't know, like be friends with the person? I don't know. Ask her for her SHA-256 hash. Better yet, ask her for her public encryption key. So you can send her encrypted messages. You might have her phone number, but I have her public encryption key. We're not the same. We are not the same. Green, what do you mean? You're not even new here. What are you talking about? Hello? SHA-256 hash, that was funny, thanks. Thank you. Thank you very much. Should I write it in code for her? What do you mean? Why are you writing it? Isn't she the one giving it to you? I'm telling you. Get those encryption keys. We are not the same. What? What? I have her private encryption key. I am her. This is true, actually. Correct. She could be like a Haskell programmer, and then you're like, oh fuck, yeah, for real. You don't know what you're messing with here. You have no idea. Okay, I got a lot of errors. About 99 errors, and I caused all of them. Message declared not used. Okay, yeah, fair. Okay, so here is where I have to define what I want it to do. So when somebody enters a room, I guess I want them to be able to quit, leave the room. How do I make them leave the room? Oh no, you guys, I don't remember what anything does. Exit. Where's the chatter? This is what I need. Send, right, close. Is this what I want? No. Wait, delete. Yeah, so this is just for the chatter. Okay, okay. So that would be, I would call chatter.closed for the chatter that set it. Okay, and then the messages, what do those include? From r.sync. Okay, so I gotta go to definition. Oi! Oi! Just t.message. Oh, you guys, I shouldn't have stopped coding on this. I knew it was a mistake. I knew that I would forget the code, like what it did, if I stepped away from it and like didn't touch it for a few weeks. And I hate past me. Why is she such a pain in my butt, man? Also, Control Byte, thank you so much for the 10 months. I appreciate it. Who does streaming at a normal hour? It's 9 p.m. here. But I think this is like gonna be probably my favorite time for a while, to be honest. I think I'll need a basic Go tutorial to make sense of this. Well, luckily for you, I have a command for all my favorite Go resources. Hi, what are we coding? I am attempting to do a real-time chat over SSH. I'm using some code from my coworker's real-time chess over SSH. You always stream during work hours? I guess that's true. Yeah, I think I like the evening vibes. I feel like I put less pressure on myself. For some reason, if I stream in the middle of the day, I feel like I have to be super productive. Right now, I'm just like, I'm chilling. Like if I go to bed after this and I'm done absolutely nothing, it's like whatever. I had a good time. Had fun doing nothing, you know? It was great. They're an amazing construct once you understand them. I had to write Lua before I understood first class functions though. Bro. I don't know if I'll okay, maybe I don't know about Lua. Listen, I just don't know about Lua. It's totally fine. I think I just need to read more Lua code, to be honest. Are you worried about security with SSH? No. No, it's not. No. So I'm using like a middleware called Wish. It doesn't allow you to basically like SSH onto a server. It acts how do I explain this? So you know how when you access a website That's just like, it's an HTTP request to something to like a website that's running on a server. It's basically like that, but it's just SSH that you're using to access it. So like you can't execute commands or anything like that. You don't get any access. You just like, you get basically some string output from the server's terminal. You know what I'm talking about? That makes sense? That's like the super here. It's like a different SSH protocol. It's not OpenSSH. Oi. Oi. Who said you can give me ads? I really need to get like a little sinkhole for ads or something. I don't want to like not get ads because I want to support creators, but I also don't want to listen to them or watch them. You know what I'm saying? I was thinking for like literally for years, I've been wanting to do like a Raspberry Pi, like just a Pi hole for all my ads. But then now they're like expensive. I say that as I'm like debating buying a $500 keyboard, but it's fine. There's more to SSH than just OpenSSH. And yeah. We're basically just using it for, I believe, like authentication. Or no, let me double check. I'm pretty sure it's in an issue somewhere. There we go. What are SSH apps? Okay. Listen here. I'll give you a little blurb from this is the middleware I'm using, by the way. It's literally from my work. You can get a cheaper Pi, like a CM4 with the RPI4 carriage. Oh. Listen, Kesor, I appreciate that. I can't keep messaging Donut all of my notes, so I need to put this somewhere else. But I never have any notes open. I guess, do I have bunny notes on here? Do I have bunny BB notes? Oh, yeah. There's some issues with my config. Oh, well, story of my life. Can I create a new one in here? Random chat helping.md. Alright. Copy that username in there too. So you get full creds. Alright. Appreciate that. There you go. Can you guys see the code properly, like, by the way? Let me know if there's like any problems seeing it. I think it's legible. Unless you're colorblind, then I'm sorry. Alright. I pretty much just blindly follow what chat tells me. It's a good strategy, honestly. It's what brought me to NeoVim and Go, so I can't complain, actually. Sorry for an off-topic question, but I'm thinking of heading up to Canada from Midwest for my PTO. I'm in the Chicago, Michigan, Ohio area. Any suggestions for things to do around Ontario/Toronto? I do understand that you're from the West Coast, so no suggestions would be understandable. Oh, that's hard. It's hard. It's hard. Because normally I would say if you're going to Canada in the wintertime, go skiing or snowboarding. Duh. Otherwise, I would recommend food. There's a lot of really, really good food in Toronto. What else is nice in Toronto? Are you going this season? If you're going this season, it's very pretty. If you go like outside of the city and like all the trees are all pretty and stuff. Their fall season's beautiful. Like absolutely beautiful. Love that. What else is there to do? They have like beaches and stuff, but like I doubt you're gonna want to go to. I mean, it's a beach for a lake, like a big lake. So I don't know. I know, honestly, TJ could make bank being a DevRel, but he already makes bank being an engineer. Like, imagine, dang, like that's crazy. Trees are so pretty right now. Yeah. I'm trying to think. Honestly, I would look at events that are happening. Toronto's a very like multicultural city, so trying to like embracing that side of Toronto could be really fun. Like they've got like a really fun pride area of the city, like that's like super like fun and open, and like everyone's yeah, it's just very fun. Honestly, there's always stuff happening in that city, and everyone's very friendly, and like yeah, I recommend. If I recall correctly, I don't think everything starts dying until November. OMG, I was in Whistler last week, went to this amazing Ukrainian restaurant called Kozak. Highly recommend. Also closed out mountain biking at Whistler, amazing. Yeah, there's some great mountain biking. I love being in the mountains. I just love mountains. I love mountains. There's so many fun things to do in the mountains. You go biking, you can go bear watching, you can go skiing, snowboarding, whatever. You can go ski joring, get your dogs to pull you. I love doing that. It's nice. You two DevRels are engineers too. Yeah, but I don't get that much time. I don't get that much time to code. How does DevRel compare to engineering? I don't know that much about it, but how did a recruiter reach out about a position? Okay. It's interesting because like you can be very good at DevRel, but like not code very much. Or you can be a DevRel and like contributing. I think it depends on maybe the size of the organization and like how like your scope of responsibilities. Right now I'm in like a super busy period with the DevRel activities, like all the because okay, listen, I'm posting their YouTube at least once a week, and then also doing like live streams and collabs and things like that in the meantime. And I am like one woman show of like creating the project, scripting like coming up with the idea, creating the project, scripting the thing. Thank goodness we've got some documentation. Like sometimes I can actually just like grab an existing example or something like that. Like the basics tutorial, for example, that was so nice. Yeah, and then I'm filming it and editing it and like doing all that prep, like everything in that realm myself, which is a decent amount of time out of the week. So yeah, just lately with my schedule, I haven't been able to code a ton. But when I first started, I needed to code I was coding a fair bit. I was coding every day. Because I wanted to, like, it was very important to me that I was at the point of competency with our projects, that I was able to like answer people's questions and issues, and that made me able to like create more effective technical content because I had that like foundation. But basically DevRel, it's like you're pretty much being like a professional technical content creator, whatever medium that is. So sometimes it'll be like you're a technical writer, or you're creating technical videos, or you're doing community outreach or organizing community events, or like finding ways to like hype up new things. You might be like doing all the docs around releases or things like that. But I do a fair amount of like design work and like creative work through the DevRel position. But I still love coding, so I try and code as much as I can. Yeah, I'm gonna do a YouTube video on it, because honestly I didn't even know what DevRel was when I took the job. I mean, like I kind of did, but like there was like maybe one blog that actually gave me like good insights on what it was, and everything else was just kind of like, I was like, okay, that's cool. The Lorax for the dev trees, yeah, for real. Goat yoga, yeah. There's some good yoga in. Cooking food on a campfire is so much fun. Yeah, it's true. Any advice for a beginner? Yes, actually, my favorite thing. Okay, my friend Brad told me this. My favorite thing that I ever heard was, this is the hardest it will ever be. Whatever you're working on and trying to learn, it's the hardest it's ever going to be. This topic, you know? And like every day it's going to get easier. You're going to get more familiar with it. But just remember that like where you are right now is the hardest that thing will ever feel for you. I feel like that helped me when I was like struggling a fair bit. That's not true. No, I'm not saying it won't get harder. I'm not saying it won't get harder, but I'm saying how you feel about whatever you're learning. This is the hardest it's going to feel for you. The more that you like work with it or get practice with it, it will feel easier. I'm not saying like that this is the hardest it'll ever be in your career. You get what I'm saying? Distinction. Okay? Because I think it's easy to feel like I think it's easy to start feeling like pretty lost about what like with where you're at. I think because you're like, you know, there's constantly so many things to like think about and things you can like specialize in or focus on or whatever. But yeah. Bye 603 kid. Have a great night. And a helpful friend. Yes. TJ is very helpful. Confirmed, actually. Also Trash, what's up? How you doing? Will you be better able to manage your emotional energy? What do you mean? Compared to what? I'm just starting with front end after getting laid off as a systems admin, so just nervous. Oh, well, that's fair enough. If you're like going into something new, that it's fair to be nervous. Just don't forget that like your existing experience also like is an asset, brings it to the table. Howdy here for the vibes. Appreciate that. Also, Midikins, thank you so much for the 18 months, 12 minutes ago. What can I say? I'm an excellent streamer. I'm really good at checking my notifications as well. For sure. So productive yet so bad for my sleep schedule. Dude, I've been sleeping less than usual and I feel pretty energized. Okay, so sync is ut.message. When something ends, then r.sync gets returned. So r is the room. What is send message called? And the send message is just it's just the message. Oh, there we go. Right, so I can send... Start chatting. C.context.done. I'm trying to remember what my code does. It's not going so good. It's like barely my code to start with, you know? Context.go. Wait, this is not my file. Not mine. It's Go. Hi, Droid. What am I up to? I'm trying to write a real-time chat application over SSH. The rotate screen button on Twitch's mobile app is broken. Dude, Twitch was entirely broken for me the other day. I tried to stream. I couldn't engage with anything, like interact with anything on Twitch. I couldn't change my stream title. I couldn't do anything. It was really bad. It was so frustrating. Hi, Bestia. How you doing? Oh, I haven't said hello. I was in the corner waiting for a sign to say hello. Usually it's my terrible jokes. Twitch engineers, am I right? Yeah, totally. Honestly. Undeclared name, note message, yeah, whatever. I think I need to VSP this thing. I barely know what's going on here. Because I want to... Right, so this is basically just sending messages until this thing is done. What does this do? This code overlay on full screen is kind of sick. Yo, I appreciate that. I actually backed out on it. I did it for 2 streams and then I was like, oh, maybe it's like too hard to read, but then I think it's actually really cool. Like, I've changed my mind. I don't know where to put chat though. I'll put you like right there so you're not in the way. Yeah, I'm trying to remember how this thing works. But I guess what I should do first is I'll just fix the diagnostics and then we'll start running it and see what's broken. If you turn the light off, it would be more readable for sure, but not. Well, so I can adjust my opacity, but then it makes me hard to see. Like, it makes me darker. You have a test suite, right? For this, it's not even working yet. I don't even have a working version of it yet. This is better. Yeah, no, trash. I'm basically just transparent over my, I am transparent over the terminal window. An OBS. Need that green screen? I have a green screen. It's literally right next to, like, it's literally on the floor right behind me. I can pull it up at any moment. Note message. I think this was just a string, if I'm not mistaken. Oh, I haven't defined this yet, I don't think. Kind of like the reverse of this. Oh, making my terminal transparent with me in the back. Yeah, it might be better. I don't, honestly, you can distract me with OBS. I'm down. I have a curved ultra wide at home and I went to work at the office the other day. A flat non-curved screen looked convex. Oh no. Want to call me on Discord? It's easier, sure. Shua. Down. Alright, let me turn off music so it's less distracting. Telescopic Johnson. What? Hello? You're so quiet for me. Hold on. I think it's just that I have my volume very low. Can you talk?
Yeah. Hello.
All right.
Beep boop bop.
The people can hear you.
Okay. So the trick that I've done for this before that works pretty well is you could do a combo of 2 different things, which is 1, you put a chroma key with exactly your background color. So like get the hex code.
Oh, yeah.
Of your terminal.
Mm-hmm.
And so you can do that, and then you can, so then like the text still pops, but so like the text is less transparent, you know what I mean? You could also just probably like figure out what it is and get Puchin to get the exact one. It doesn't really make a difference though either way. Oh yeah, because I guess
it just does a chroma key is just like it. Yeah, so it'll basically just cancel out that color. That's interesting.
Right. And so that's like the first one you could do, and then you can play around with like how much opacity you want to do for those, right? Because you can actually change how much it is within the chroma key, and then you could do another filter on top. That's just like slight opacity over everything to just like make you can like kind of see you through the like text that is on the screen, right? But then that basically lets you like make the background go away a lot, and then the text go away only a little.
Gotcha.
You know what I'm saying?
Wait,
But
wait,
you can use
repeat,
two
wait,
different
repeat.
filters. So the first one is just like a chroma key,
Yeah,
right?
I got number 1.
Just choose literally the background color. Boom,
Mhm.
that one's easy. You could try that, and that might look good all by itself.
Mhm.
But you could then like do another filter that just changes the opacity of your desktop, so that like you can still kind of see you behind things that aren't your background color.
Yeah. That makes sense. I know exactly what you're talking about.
And then also unshout out Trash Dev. Everyone go over to his channel and unfollow. Thanks.
Oh no.
Okay. You good? I'll hang up if you're good.
Yeah,
I think
yeah.
you got it.
I appreciate that.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah. See you, Bash.
Bye. Yeah, go unfollow Trash Dev. Poor Trash. Poor Trash. Is that right? No, that's not right. Why can't I copy this color? That's interesting. Bye-bye tech. Oh, wait, hold on. I think it might be too similar. Hold on. There we go. Oh, that looks sick. That looks so much better. No, I need it back to 0. Wow, chat. Look at us being like pro over here. What does this do? It's kind of hard to see some of the... Wait, but I can't tell if it's actually working. Hold on. I gotta change it real quick. I gotta change, let's get rid of my filter. Where did that little thing just go? Oh, it's because I'm on top of the... Okay, hold the phone. I feel like that's kind of hard to see. But what I can do is, well... It's better with me transparent. Yeah, I think this is better. It's not as good as it was. This way is not as good. It looks better with the background translucent. Okay. Yeah, this looks sick. Wow, TJ, thank you. Appreciate that. Now it should be a little more high contrast for people. That's sick. Just gotta move the chat window. Should I just get rid of the chat window? There you go. That's cool. That's cool. Okay, new meta. Easy. New meta, easy. It is sick. I really like it. Alright, let's get the music back. My ears are so not okay. Oh my god. Oh my god. That was so loud. Holy shit. Oh my god. Oh. I'm shaking and sobbing. Bro. I'm on I3. I can't even tell. It's such a gamble with how loud that is. I'm so glad I'm so nervous to unmute it. I can't hear it. But it was so loud for me too. I had it like cranked as well. Yeah, I think some of it's a little bit harder to see. I don't know. We can mess around with it. You know, we could mess around with it here. I can't change. I mean, that's kind of better, but it doesn't look awesome. Yeah, the comments are kind of illegible. It might be better with a high contrast theme. Let me try. I mean, I think this might be fine. I'm gonna leave it like this for now. But it's nice to know that we've got an alternate way of doing the things. What do you think? Do you like this one or do you like the one that I just had before this? We're just slowly defining the new meta, chat. Slowly but surely. This is cool. All right. I think this one's probably good enough. Before looks cooler. Other one is way better. Other one's way better? Yeah, I guess this does look a little sharper. You just need to change like 2 highlights maybe. Pull it. Pull. It's hard to like, okay, this one, this overlay or other overlay, this other. I'll just make it a minute. All right, so get your votes in ASAP. I can see the comments easier. TJ's looks. This one, okay. There's this one. All right, you ready, chat? There's this one, or this one. This one is the second option. This one's second option. This one's other. This one is other. This one is 2. The current one is 2. Wait, fuck. This one is this one is 2. This? Y'all are confused. Wait, this was the other one. Okay. I don't think I could have been more unclear. I'm actually shaking and sobbing again. Bruv. Okay, we're back to this. I think it's fine. You don't need to see my Garbo comments anyway. Cue in the music? I'm terrified, actually. Wait, it's on. I just can't hear it. Or else take like a JavaScript engine or something. Listen. You're right, chat. Task failed successfully. My job here is done, honestly. That's all I needed. That's all I needed or wanted. All right, what's public key? I don't think I have it defined anywhere. A struct. Wraps SSH dot public key. What? Okay. Server. Oh, server. Type public key. Apparently this wraps. I barely know what's going on. I'm trying to figure it out. We're figuring it out. I'm just writing enough code so that I can get it to run, so that I can Trying to see what's happening. But I think I'm mostly getting it. We're using channels. We're using SSH sessions. We're like doing things with the clients, and they have their own SSH sessions in all of them. And then the server has an SSH session, and there's all this SSH information that we have available. That is one fancy teacup. Thank you. And then if you have like if you're having like a bad hair day, it doesn't matter. Chats like they can barely see you. I'm attempting to make a real-time chat application over SSH. I've also come to terms with the fact that like this may be a project that I never finish, but at the same time I feel like, you know, might fuck around and finish it. We'll see. How about a bad code day? Can't help you there. Can't relate. Code is always great. I don't even know what errors are. What do we call this new meta? Does it need a name? It speaks for itself. Bad code day above my pay grade. Never say never. C.key.string. Oh, public key has a string method. Okay, apparently there's more to this public key than meets the eye. All right. I'm really just yoinking my coworker's code, but I'm mostly understanding what's going on. I'm just like, I couldn't build this myself though. All by myself. There's no way. There's just no way. Also, I love that all the streamers are in here. All the streamers are in here. Is this what y'all do before bed? Just like lurk Twitch, like who's on? Because I totally do that as well, actually. For the record. For the record. Marshall authorized key. Key. No code actions available? You don't even know Go SSH is? Oh, it's because it's a SSH as... Can't I just do that as SSH? Oh, it's going to be confusing. I see. Gosh. Shh. Okay, I also can barely use NeoVim, apparently. Not declared by package. Marshall authorized key not declared by package. Huh? Is there any kind of Marshall? Uh-oh. Parse? I don't know if that's what it wants. Does it say? Implements the stringer. Oh, it's just to make it implement the stringer interface. SSH. I need to look at the docs for this thing. For ssh.public key. I forget how to like... do the link thing in here. You know what I mean? Open up the link in a browser with Vim shortcuts. Next game started. Good luck with Stream Bash. I appreciate it. Thank you, TJ, for hanging out. Thank you. I streamed once for 30 minutes. How'd it go? What am I coding? Real-time chat over SSH. Code in front of Bunny Hype. Yeah. Every time I stream for 30 minutes. I think it's good. It's a good way to like box out time to work on stuff. Okay, I'm looking at you. doesn't seem right. GX. All right. There we go. That worked. GX. I was honestly nervous when I streamed. I think that's fair. I think it's fair. I think it takes getting used to. Nice framework, bubble tea. I was watching on GitHub. Thank you. I didn't build the thing, but like, I support it. I maintain. I do things. I swear. Type public key. An abstraction of different types of public keys. They must have like show what the replacement is for Marshall. Does this just not? It just doesn't exist anymore? Anyway. Sure. I'm just gonna see if that works. I guess. It's fine. Delete the key. Key.string? I don't know. We'll see. And Marshall send it as a. What does this need? Key type? Deletes the element with the specified key. So if I hit K twice, by the way, for those of you who are looking for the NeoVim hacks, if I hit K twice, it'll bring me to in this little thing, the little dialogue, and then I can just do VI. So like select inside and then the bracket, the little words are hard, and then GX, and it'll open it in my terminal or in my browser. Thought that nobody programs CLI interfaces anymore? False. False. It's a revolution. I usually stream during Zoom meetings where my coworkers critique my work. Oh no. Okay, so what is type? Stand in for any go type. Oh, is this like generics? Am I unknowingly using something that uses generics? That's cool. I mean, that's cool. Alright, well, we'll just see if it breaks. Name declared not used. Blah, 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 blah. Start returning model. Initializes the program, returns the final model. It returns the final model. I don't know what to do with that. My comment, it literally says IDK what to do with this model yet. Classic. Classic. I literally only make CLI tools these days. They're so fun. They're fun. Oh. It's because in his example, he basically is program.game is equal to m.sharedGame. Oh no. Do I have like a shared? I don't think I have a shared chat room thing yet. Alright, we'll just ignore you for now, I guess. Should I maybe assign it to a global or something? Okay, okay, so the room, it's messages that we're sending to the room. I think, so this is where I think I would implement the, basically like the bubble tea UI thing that I might want to do. I don't remember if I have that working on this one or not. Do I have? I don't even remember how to like open up my tree thing, but I don't think I really need it. TUI? Oh yeah. Yeah, I got it. So do I just yoink my things in here? I'm just gonna yoink it and see what happens. Concerned. Slightly concerning. Did I... Alright. I don't know which one's which. Declare name, error message, I'm not... Okay, wait, let's not do that yet. Let's not do that yet. This is a mistake. I can already tell this is a mistake. What can I do? What's functionality I can test? What does my model even look like? So many questions. So many questions. When do I initialize my model? I don't think it's here. I think it's in... Terminal height width. Well, it's not that bad. Maybe what I can do is, let me try one thing. Hello? I haven't tried Emacs, but I love U of M. No, I haven't tried Emacs yet. I will at some point. Which language are you using tonight? Go as usual. Go as usual. Missing return. What have I done? What did I break? Chatter is already in chat room. Okay, so then otherwise, did I add the chatter? So I think what I basically want to do is chatter. Kind of confused. I think maybe I didn't fully implement that one. All right, let's try if we get a T dot window size. We can't really print either, which is fun. Maybe we can't. We'll see. We'll try. Message dot height, I guess. I'll do something with it. Add chatter. All right. Do Do I have a...
YouTube Premium gives you ad-free videos.
Oi, YouTube, stop. Why do you use Golang for CLI and not another language? I like Go. I enjoy programming Go. Also, it's great for CLIs. There's some awesome libraries that you can use. Also, super easy to build into a binary that you can just ship. Just ship it. If it compiles, ship it. No, but for real, Go's great for CLIs. Highly recommend. But there are libraries in Go that I want to use specifically. Do I have a make chatter? Oh no. This is so complex. It's gonna be a bitch to debug. It's gonna be so hard to debug. I think I made a mistake. The brackets are hardly visible. Should I change it? You guys liked this one better. I had another way I was doing it though. That could work. We can live with the not so clear brackets. Okay. You guys, I made a mistake. I think I should have started this more simply. I've literally just started writing code, and I think this is gonna be like impossible to debug. Brutal. Oh, learning curve for Go is it's easy to learn. It's easy to learn. I'd say it's easy like Python, yeah. Just completely rewrite, I know. I think... I'm just trying to think of how I can like simplify the approach right now. I don't know, we're in it. Let's just keep writing stuff. Add chatter. I gotta create a chatter. That's the problem. Okay. Yeah, I don't think I have anything to like create a chatter yet. Just like even... I'm just doing it on the fly. Just doing it on the fly. I didn't even know what I was gonna work on today. I've basically just got like a bunch of like projects that I have open. I've also got some projects that aren't mine. Like I didn't author them, but I want to contribute to. So. Oh, I see. All right, hold on. Chatter wouldn't exist outside a room, so I do think it makes sense to add the thing here. We're keeping it consistent, all right? I probably need a program. Chatter.program. Wait, where's Chatter? Oh, I did set it up. Okay, wait. New Chatter. Oh, there you go, there you go. All right, okay, I was like, oh. Okay, so it returns, so it's got a public key. It checks if the public key exists already. And otherwise, I guess it'll create a new chatter. New chatter SSH session. So that's. And I guess I would. Does this return an error? No. We'll see. I like the chaos approach. I used to do that until I got too many projects. I know. It's like I insist on learning the hard way. Insist. Expected. What did I do? Oh. Yeah. Hello? There you go. Is my auto formatting messed up? Yeah. Tea's kind of cold. What else do I got? Port declared but not used. That's a good point. Wait, declared but not used. I'm just gonna, I guess not. I'm just gonna leave some errors unhandled so that I continue to have my linter yell at me. Well, I guess it doesn't yell at me. What happens here? So this is just starting. Okay, well, maybe I'll just, I guess, log that fatal it. Bro, I can't touch type anymore. It's fine. Am I logged off fataling? Yeah. It's iced tea now, pretty much. Pretty much, honestly. What else do I got? I feel like I should. I want to try streaming on YouTube as well soon. Just try it out. I've been doing it on the Charm account, but not on my own. So especially with the new vibe, I feel like this is it's more like YouTube aesthetic. They're more picky over there. Just in terms of oh wait, unused. Oh wait, I have that already. Nice. Okay, well, can I just comment this out for now? Yeah, sure can. I make the rules around here. Sure can. Although I don't know why I selected all of it. I didn't say zero taste. I just said YouTube's more high maintenance. They need those polished videos. You guys are good chilling. Bunch of chillas. That's what I'm saying. To you guys can't read it, but it says eventually outgrow mock data. My to-do. Alright, Bashmany, I'm gonna head to bed. It's 1 a.m. on the East Coast. I appreciate the Toronto suggestions. Good luck on the project, co-work / promo soon. Yeah. For sure. Use StreamYard. I think I tried Restream last time. It worked pretty well. It's 1 a.m. Yeah. I think I'm gonna stream for hopefully another couple hours. What do I have tomorrow? When's my calendar start? When's my day start tomorrow? I mean, I say that, but I've been staying up this late all week. I've been staying up until like 1. Actually, it was really, really nice. I stayed up late and I just finished a bunch of work tasks yesterday, like last night before bed. And I woke up today and I did my basically worked until like 12 or 1. And then I just like chilled out and it felt like a day off. It was really nice. I just finished all the work that I needed to do today last night. It was such a good treat for myself. For once past me being the MVP. I have to go here too. It's 2 a.m. Nice stream. I appreciate it. Well, I appreciate you guys hanging out. I hope you sleep well. Dream dreams of code. Just kidding. That's horrifying. Terrifying, actually. Nightmares. I actually dream of code so that I don't have to use as much mental energy during the day to think of code to write. I've already dreamt it. Actually, just psychic. I know what problems we're going to have because I cause the problems. I am the technical debt. What else we got? Cannot use... Ooh, wait, what is this from? What file is this? Transport test dot what? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Double uh-oh. I must have already saved it. I feel like all we do these days is greenfield stuff. We'll see. Sometimes I feel like I learn more from my contributions, like contributing to projects, than I do on my own projects. Because I'm like, I can't build the whole thing, but I can help you with a little bit of it. You know? It's a nice feeling, actually. I think that's why I kind of gave up on this one a little bit. Oh, will this run? I'm actually scared. Also scared it's gonna leak keys for some reason. Let me just hold on. Starting SSH server. Okay, I don't think I'll be able to. Oh wait, do I need tmux for this one? Yeah, I kind of do. All right, hold the phone chat. Hold on to your cellular devices. You can do ! job. I work at Charm. We build dev tools. And it's 13 degrees Celsius right now. I just found out through tmux. That's wild. I'm totally baiting you guys because you can't even see my screen right now. Wrecked. Alright, serve server. I'll actually be like kind of terrified if this works. I super doubt it will though. What is this on? Is this gonna work on what, localhost? Is that the right? Wait, huh? Hold on. So confused. I was just checking if this I don't think this is properly working though. There's no way. Like there's just no way. It doesn't work. Yeah, it's starting up. It's okay. So what's it connecting to? Why is it using the TUI? Check out Contributing is a big dream. Yeah, it's honestly, I think it takes a lot of practice. I feel like it mostly takes practice with learning how to navigate code quickly. Because like you don't really need to know how the whole code base works. You just need to know how this like very, very small subset of things tie together. Or even just like how like oftentimes it's just like a single variable that you need to find in this like big repo. To be honest, live grep, like the which is basically just like rip grep but within Telescope if you're using NeoVim. Rip grep, aka live grep, incredible. It's helped that's like single-handedly I like credit that tool for me being able to contribute to any code, like to any code bases ever. To be honest, I feel like that's where it starts though. It starts with the docs, and then after like you start to, you know, you can always, you just try, you know, just dig around a little bit. But I highly recommend. I love RipGrep so much. I just had a Hacktoberfest contributor find and patch 5 major bugs that have been in my project's codebase from basically day 1 as a result of the test cases I asked him. Oh, that's so nice. That's so nice. They must feel good about that as well. That's really nice. What tool? RipGrep. Here, I'll type in chat. RipGrep or Telescope's live grep command. So like it's really good. It's really good. Okay, cool. So this is what it's going to look like though. I'm not gonna like change the UI that much. Okay, wait, I mean, it doesn't really matter. Basically there's a text area where you can do a bunch of different stuff. I think I need to fix the wrapping on it though. I'm not entirely sure. Yeah, I gotta fix the wrapping on it. It's like just cutting off, but that's an easy fix. That's a UI thing, whatever. What I care about right now is that they connect to the same server. Would be cool. So that's not happening. I feel like I'm getting so many ads right now. Oh, it's because I keep watching 1 hour long music videos. Well, doesn't that make sense? That's the best currency. What is? I'm just lost. Always. Forever lost. Also, BRB chat. Go make yourself some tea. Go do some stretches. I don't know, whatever else you do at this degenerate hour. Okay. I guess for some of you it might be like super early morning. So you're like the 10x devs that wake up at 4 a.m. and work out and do their breathing exercises, the like Wim Hof breathing exercises before they start coding for the day. Probably writing Racket, like, I don't know, machines. All right, well, anyway, BRB. Oh, wait, I'll turn the music back on first. Okay. Still slightly traumatized from how loud it was earlier. It's fine. What's up? I had an undeniable urge to make nachos. So we made some microwave nachos. Feels good, man. Bro, I like forgot about nachos. I'm not gonna lie. Now I'm hungry. Oh no.